This is how I made my ogbono soup, and it always draws so well. Let's get right into it. We have some crayfish, some boiled meat, pomo, smoked fish, scotch bonnet and onion, seasoning cube and salt. This will be adding to taste. Ogbono seeds, palm oil, ugwu, and the stock. This is just meat stock. I'm going to grind the ogbono seeds till it's nice and smooth, and then I'll also grind the pepper and the onions. So here we have the blended ogbono and the blended pepper mix. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now we proceed. All right, so into my pot, I'll add the palm oil. So I'll pour all the meat into the heated oil to cook and fry for a little bit before I go ahead to add the peppers. And I'll let this cook a bit. I'll add the stock and the pepper and then some water, just very little. Okay, and seasoning cube. So I'll just stir this up and then cover it to boil for about 10 minutes. It doesn't need to boil so long because the meat is already cooked. But if your meat is not cooked, make sure you boil the meat first. So there we have it. It's boiling. I'll now taste to correct the seasoning before I go ahead to add the other ingredients. I'll go in with my ogbono now. Just pour it onto it. I'll go little by little. There we go. So give it some time to, gather together and let the body, I don't know what they call it. So kokbaramusha. So yes, it's coming together. You can see it's getting thicker already and it's drying. I'll leave this to simmer for a bit before I go in with the rest of the ingredients. What do you think is coming next? Can you guess? You can see how good this looks already, right? Oh my gosh. I will now go in to add my ugwu leaves, or pumpkin leaves as they call it. You can add as much as you like to see in your soup. So here we go. It's coming together nicely. I like to add my crayfish last because I feel like the flavor is more pronounced when it goes in at the last minute. Ooh, looks good. So just turn down the heat so it simmers. Then I'll cover it. Yes, you can cover your ogbono. It's perfectly fine. Ooh. Voila. I will now go in with the crayfish. Looks and smells good. Super easy, super simple, and you don't need to go through the stress of melting your ogbono inside palm oil before you get a good result. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, please leave a comment so I can know what you think about my recipe. If you're going to try it and, all the good stuff, please make sure you leave a comment before you go.